Hey guys, Mark from TAT the Automotive Technician. Today I want to discuss with you something that we've seen come across TAT Assist several times on VE Commodores that can catch you out if you're unaware of the system that's on it. What I'm referring to is the ex-police pack VE Commodore. When a police pack is decommissioned or put into civilian mode, they take off some of the features. But for most people it's a selling point because it's a police pack. I had a vehicle come in from another workshop to get checked over. Now the problem that they were experiencing was that they were doing a safety check on this particular vehicle and they replaced the interior light globe on it, and then all of a sudden the dash and everything else disappeared. Interior lights wouldn't work and there were other things that no longer worked. After some research, I came across this very helpful article in the VACC magazine. The surveillance mode done on these VE Commodores is done by the interior light module via this long button right here. But the problem is, if you happen to replace one of these globes or something similar, it can set off the surveillance mode, which in turn turns off all the interior lights, the dash, and even when you open the doors, no interior light comes on. And it can be a bit of a puzzler if you're not aware of that feature. These modules are made specifically for the police pack. You can tell by the fact that we have this long button here, as well as there's a different connector on the back. I think there's a 10 pin as well as a 12 pin. In some cases, I believe you can actually go in through special functions in the body control module and decommission or deselect that particular feature of surveillance, and you don't have any more issues with it. But if you unknowingly happen to press that button, or if you replace one of these lights, then it can go into surveillance mode automatically. And then you can't get the thing back on unless you press this button. In this particular case, someone had pulled it apart and actually broken the button to stop the mode. So once it went into surveillance mode, there's no way you could get it back out. So to remedy the fault in this particular case, this module was replaced and everything worked again. It's a simple one, but unless you know the feature that is involved in it, it's easy to get caught out. Hopefully that was a helpful tip for you guys, and in the meantime, have a look through Repair Solutions. There's a wealth of knowledge in there from experienced technicians like yourselves that we pass on to one another. So until the next time that we see one another on a technical video, this is Mark from TAT signing off. I'll catch you later.